Are we talking about festival costume itself? Well, I think being true to yourself and showing how we pride to our community is celebrated as festival costume. Because even how we are differences to each other, like the color of the rainbow, we are here to be united. What a glamorous and spectacular evening to each and every one. My name is Lovely Imperial, and I am 19 years old. All the way last from the garden capital of Laguna, municipality of Bay, province of Laguna. Once again, I'm regarded at number 6 saying, ang pagiging totoo sa atin at pag-embrace ng ating pagkakaiba ay kailanman hindi nagiging matama. Dahil kagaya ng isang mahal, tayo ay magsasama-sama, mabubuo, upang ipaglaban ang ating mga karapatan. Once again, I'm regarded at number 6, reading ang mabuhay, and please enjoy the rest of the show. Thank you.
Once again, our unity in the six. My costume inspired by the carnival and the eagle, and symbolizes the power, strength, and perseverance of Krista. Your first ever modeling queen. My name is Manny Parulia Solusero, and I thank you. Once again, our family of our ladies.
tapat na may malakas na hiyawan, mamamatay po ang buong pamilya. Joke lamang po, parte lamang po ito ang ating kasiyahan ngayong gabi. Let us go for happiness, not for what is best. Because having the best without true happiness is always considered as worthless. Hi, hello, mabuhay! This is Maria Alexa Cordon, all the way last, from Barangay Pansol, Pila, Laguna. Maria Alexa na hindi po nagsasabi ng bastos o katawa-tawang kasabihan. Ngunit isa lamang ng katotohanan na bakla, badil, o tsarin-tsarin, ano man mong lait ang itawag ninyo sa amin. Amin ang gabi ito, tagahanga lamang po namin kayo. Good evening.
Once again, are you ready? Number 8.
palakpakan dyan?
Wala!
Wala po ba ilawan dyan?
Wala!
Wala po ba kaldereta dyan?
Wala!
Naman po. Take education first before the love and devotion. It is a good occupation for every young generation. Hello, hi mabuhay. My name is M.M. Sidenia Balain, all the way at last from Barangay of Yara, Raleigh, South Carolina. Ngayon gabi, hayaan niyo po ako mag-iwan ng isang kasabihan, hindi bastos, ngunit hindi po patutuwanan. Na kapag ang saging daw po ay kulay hilaw, papuyon. Pero kapag ang saging naman daw po ay kulay hilaw, hinog na hinog, na hinog na po yun. Pero kapag ang saging ay kulay brown, ang sarap. Ang laki. Ang
Aba. Ah. Pag po tayong reminded, tuloy po yun. My festival costume inspired yung Paru-Paru Festival in Dasmariñas, Cavite. Maraming salamat po.
Once again, our Kelly Tabulo.